markets have been in significant demand over the past 3 years, which drove strong buyer activity and higher prices. But we may see an adjustment coming. It's Friday, January 6th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. Exurbs and Zoom towns created from the COVID pandemic are communities farther out from the urban and suburban areas that experienced strong demand during the pandemic. As people have been returning to the office, many of these local markets may see less buyer activity and are at greater risk of falling home prices. Dorchester County is predicted to experience the largest market adjustment in pricing since the area experienced huge price increases of more than 70%. Inventory has risen 28%, and the days on the market have more than tripled. Since many of the local residents of Dorchester County are well below the statewide median household income, they are not the ones that were buying homes in the area at the higher prices. Prices increased so significantly that many will not be able to afford current prices. Lower income communities will see more downward pressure on homes. On the shore, inventory fell again to 1,129 homes for sale. 181 homes came to the market since last report. 38 homes are coming soon. 89 went under contract. 132 properties went to pending, and 313 properties sold in 23 days at 96.4% list-to-sold ratio. The highest sale this past week was in Oxford for $2,200,000. There are 88 rentals listed at a median $1,873 per month, and these have been on the market for 29 days. Is there a move in your 2023 plans? I can help. Let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, January 6th, 2023. Thanks for tuning in. Happy New Year. Stay safe and healthy.